A major pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale that basically outlines a major triad plus a few notes. So it's a major triad plus, there's the plus sign, plus 2 and 6. So a major triad is 1, 3, 5, and this adds the 2 and the 6. The reason we don't have 4 or 7, no 4 or 7, because those notes clash. No 4 or 7. That's where the half steps are. So if you play a 4 over the major triad, over that 1, 3, 5, that half step between 3 and 4 is going to clash. And if you play the 7th, that 7 and 1 is going to clash. So those don't sound great. What do you do with it? Major pentatonics are great for improvising. They're great for writing melodies. They're great for writing counterlines. All of the pitches work. So they work over diatonic chords. As long as you stay in the key, these pitches are all going to sound good. So the pitches of a major pentatonic, we just talked about that earlier, are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Then it starts over 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, etc., etc. So how do you figure this out? First, you have to know the major scale. We're going to do this in the key of G. So the roots in G are marked here with this red dot. So here's a G, here's the octave, here's the second octave. So what I recommend doing is play through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then realize, oh, I'm not going to use the 4. I'm going to skip that note. So you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You're not going to play the 4 and the 7. It's the same thing starting at the second octave. So here's your 1, 2, 3. Skip this 4, 5, 6, 1. So again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Major pentatonic in G. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. And backwards. 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Oops. Right, you're leaving out this note and this note, the 4. Before going on, take a minute to play the major scale versus the major pentatonic scale. I would suggest doing 1 octave at a time. So you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So go up and down your guitar and just play the major scale a few times. So that might sound something like this. Oops. And back. You might want to count the pitches out loud. And then do major pentatonic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Do this 1 octave at a time, and then skip to the second octave, and then do it together. You want to do this a bunch of times. You need to create the muscle memory. Got to create that muscle memory. It's very, very important to do that. Create that muscle memory. Get really good and strong with these. Play them with a metronome. Find a drum track to play along with. Remember, if you just learn the technique, but you don't gain the muscle memory, it's a waste of time. If you learn the technique without gaining the muscle memory, you've wasted your time. Go slow. Spend 20 minutes on this, going up and down, 1 octave, 2 octave. You'll be very good. The top line here is the bass music for the major scale. The bottom line is the major pentatonic. And again, you want to play these forwards, backwards with the metronome, slow, fast. Say the numbers as you go. This is very important. Say the scale degrees out loud as you play so you know what you're playing. The more you can say it, see it, and play it, the more you will retain it. And understanding what you are playing is the most important part. Good luck.